gold futures. In this video, we're going over my trade idea of the week and the day-by-day probability model. So let's start off with the technical analysis on the 1-hour chart. We are in negative MACD territory and we're at oversold levels with the RSI. With the 4-hour chart, we see the same action, negative MACD, and at oversold levels with the RSI. If we extend that further to the daily chart, we're about to approach to negative MACD territory and we're approaching to oversold levels with the RSI. As for resistance, we have broken below the 200 moving average, this green line, at a price of $1,843. As with the trade idea, I'll be trading GLD, and my position size for it is less than 1% of my portfolio. My long entry is at $167.07, and that is this range here. My sell target is at $172.04. And my stop loss is at $166.16. However, if I were to open a short position, my entry is at $175.15, and that is this range there. My sell target is at $168, and my stop loss is at $176.10. So whichever entry price were to hit first, that'll be my position of the week. So how did I develop these trade ideas? It all comes from the day-by-day probability model, which is available in the link below, so do check it out. As we progress to the 5th day or week of trading, gold futures has a 23% chance to climb between 0 to 2.4%. To the downside, it has a 62% chance to fall between 0 to negative 2.4% and a 15% chance to fall between negative 2.4 to negative 4.7%. So if you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.